I just look like a hideous man right now.
Isn't that always the case?
Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Shampayne channel. Sticking with the spooky holiday theme. We're going to dive right in and do a pop art makeup tutorial. Alright, so we're working on emphasizing features. I really hope this doesn't stain because I got a wedding to go to tomorrow. That'd be funny. I messed up that line. Don't look at my eyebrows, they might kill you. I'm gonna get really up close and personal with my camera here for a second. Wait. It's the closest I got, man. I'm not going back upstairs. You can't make me! This is the most interesting part of this video. This is my first time live streaming my recording of my YouTube video. So you guys get the behind the scenes action. Screw this! Why am I doing it this way? Oh look, it works so much better. Finger! For the win. There's literally a hair on my eyeball right now. I think I got it. With much crying, I think I got it. Oh no, I don't think I got it. I don't think I got it! Oh, I'm crying. I'm literally crying. I don't want to look like a raccoon because I keep rubbing my eye. We don't know that I'm failing.
No, you're probably not. You're so talented, it's impossible for you to fail.
He's being a dick!
I was giving you a genuine compliment.
You were not!
Yes, I was! That was not sarcastic voice.
That was sarcastic voice.
You clearly don't know sarcastic voice.
I thought you were gonna down some car bombs.
I did. I downed two.
No wonder you're being a dick. I just look like a hideous man right now.
Isn't that always the case? Now I'm being a dick.
You married a hideous man.
I got good taste in men, what can I say?
If I go blind, chat, no, it's because I care. How do you make a precise line under your eye? You being in a video does not make a video good.
Automatically does.
It doesn't. Wait, how many freaking lines did she make on the bottom of her eye? She made like 3 lines on each side! Oh, it tickles. It tickles so much! And she had some like highlight below her eyebrows. Hello! It's all good. Oh no, oh no, oh no! I crushed the little thing! Dry. Oh, ow, I just stabbed myself in the eye. Ow! Ow! My hands aren't steady enough for this. I'm gonna touch my face, and I know it's bad to touch my face. Don't tell me, chat, that it's bad to touch my face, because I know. Oh no, I itched my eyebrow. I actually itched a blank spot into my eyebrow. Man, my eyes look rough. They look so bad. Look at this, chat. Look at this. My dots are too small. I'm gonna have 1,000,000 dots. Let me know in the comments below. What are you gonna be for Halloween this year? Now, if you wanna see all of my Halloween costumes, you can follow me on Instagram. Also, every time I move my hair out of the way, I smear some of the dots. Okay, so now I'm going to call this complete. I would say it's pretty mediocre. I had fun doing it, and that's all that matters, right? If you like what you see here, feel free to like, subscribe, stick around. If you want to see more of this lovely face, maybe not covered in white dots though, feel free to check out my previous videos. I try to post a new video every week, so stick around. Stay bubbly.